Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine and doing well. Welcome back to my channel with another other very beautiful video of hand embroidery designs for dresses. Guys, now this video contains a very beautiful, elegant and a classic hand embroidery design patterns. A beauty and creativity of these very beautiful design patterns is that all of these designs are of wool embroidery. Yes, you have heard me right. The pattern that is being designed and created and completed is done with the help of wool that is being used to embroider these patterns onto the shirts, sweatshirts, sweaters, onto your tops, onto your any different type of outerwear. And the creativity doesn't lies on this context. You can use these very beautiful patterns, simple and easier patterns of hand embroidery for designing a wide variety of things and a wide variety of stuff. So you can design them onto your shirts, onto your sweatshirts, onto your t-shirts, onto your summer dresses, onto your tops, could you any different type of handmade, hand knitted, crochet made top or shirt. So before going into the further details, I have a simple request to you that if you haven't subscribed or you are watching my video for the very first time, then please don't forget to like and subscribe. And the basic purpose and the basic intent of making videos and sharing design ideas and creativity with you is to share creative designs and beautiful patterns. We never reclaim someone else's work as our own. And if unfortunately in this video you are unable to find the best or the most likable design of your own from the whole entire video, then absolutely you don't need to go onto any other platform or search any other thing. Go and explore my channel, because onto my channel I have already shared millions of designs of handwork, hand embroidery, and hand art. So do explore my channel, do watch the video till end, and in the comment section leave the comments below that which type of design ideas do you want us to share with you in our more and new upcoming videos. And up till then, take care and stay tuned for the more and new upcoming videos. And keep liking us, keep supporting us, keep watching our content, because your love and support is the only way through which we can excel and support. And in the comment section, leave the name of your country, that from which country you belong, that Pakistan, India, Bangladesh, Canada, UK, US, Ukraine, or any different type of country, so that we could get to know that from which different geographical regions of the world we have a YouTube friends and family, or we have a YouTube a subscriber community onto my channel. So once again requesting that please do leave comments in the comment section, because your comments are the only way through which we know that what we are doing wrong, what we need to improve, and what are your more suggestions with respect to your choices and interest. So stay tuned and stay blessed for the more and new upcoming videos onto my channel. Up till then, take care and thank you so much for watching.